UPS have placed their order of 10,000 vehicles for this van we see here.
Which is, I've got to say, that's a pretty amazing moment for effectively a five-year-old company to suddenly have an order for 10,000.
It's incredible, and I think there are many, many more like that to come very soon. And so,
and you think you have the capability of manufacturing those here? You can
absolutely.
You can fulfil those orders.
Absolutely.
Because I mean, I think there's going to be. I know that there's going to be a lot of people watching this show that have small business.
There's a brand new SPAC play for the EV sector that I've got to bring to your attention. So in this video, I'm going to introduce this company, which is, in my opinion, the most solid SPAC play we've seen yet. You may think that you've seen FOMO, but you haven't seen anything yet compared to what you're gonna see as soon as people start finding out about this company. This video does not cover the company in full detail. I just wanted to get something up for you guys very quickly, so expect a full detailed video very soon. But for now, let's get started with this. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about a very special company, and in my opinion, this is the best SPAC merger that we've seen yet. This is one that I'm extremely excited about and extremely bullish on, believe that. It started trading yesterday, and as soon as it popped up on my radar, I immediately grabbed over 200 shares, and I plan to be grabbing a lot more. I got in after a pretty large move, and then even after that, it made another 25% move on top of my initial entry. So the volume's been pretty low on it. I think about 16 million shares traded overall. And I think that's because people just aren't aware that it was coming out. And to be completely honest with you, I didn't even know that it was coming out this soon. I just happened to be taking a look at the top gainers for the day, and that's how I ran across a SPAC that I didn't recognize, and kind of went from there. When I looked into it and figured out which company was merging, that's when I immediately jumped in. I mean, there was no questions asked, no doubts in my mind about it at all. I didn't care that it had already, moved a certain amount. I immediately jumped in and, bought over 200 shares. My only fear is that when the Robinhooders figure out what this is, they're all gonna jump in and this thing's gonna blow up to like $100 or something, something insane. Because if you thought that, there's FOMO out there over the EV sector, wait till you see how people respond to this stock. So I actually discovered this company maybe about 2 months ago, and yeah, it was around September, and that's when I was doing some research for one of my workhorse videos, and it turned out that the UPS placed an order for 10,000 electric vans from this company. And I'm gonna have to be honest here and tell you that when I originally started looking into this company and their electric vehicles, I really was thinking to myself that Workhorse was a goner. But as I kept digging, it turned out that this was a UK-based company, and the 10,000 vehicle order was for the UPS in the UK, which was all fine and dandy at the time until I found out that this company was planning on opening up a manufacturing facility in the United States. And this was due to happen in October. So obviously, it's gone down. And we're well into November now, and the company has made its way here. So I remember thinking that if this company goes public, I need to load up because this is going to be a huge event. And that's exactly what I tried to do. As I'm sure you can imagine, when I first figured out that this company started trading yesterday, it really took me by surprise. But, it happens like that sometimes. But what's the name of this truly innovative and spectacular company that I'm talking about today, well, it goes by the name of Arrival. So before we get started here, ladies and gentlemen, please do me a huge favor and give this video an early thumbs up, as it really does make a huge difference for the channel and allows me to continue creating content just like this. And if you're new here and you like what you see, I would love to have you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you never miss a video notification, because I publish quality content just like this every single day. And now, without any further ado, let's get this show on the road. So CIIG Merger Corp is the name of the SPAC that will be combining with Arrival Limited, which is the electric vehicle maker that I've been telling you about. And after the merger is complete, the newly combined company will be named Arrival Group, and the company is expected to list on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol ARVL. Now, the deal will value the new company at an enterprise value of $5.4 billion and will provide Arrival with about $660 million. Of course, Arrival plans on using this $660 million to fund its growth. And I'll tell you right now, this company is very special, very interesting. And one thing that makes it interesting is that it has several big players behind it already. And we're talking about companies such as Hyundai, Kia, UPS, Winter Capital, and the one and only BlackRock. So all of Arrival's vehicles are manufactured in what's called a microfactory, which can be deployed anywhere in the world within 6 months. Now, they do this through the use of existing warehouses that are located close to the areas of demand. And according to Arrival, these microfactories are designed to produce any vehicles from Arrival's portfolio, and they can be customized they will be customized for their cities and regions that they serve. So the CIIG and Arrival merger is expected to close in the first quarter of 2021. Of course, we don't have a date yet because all that has to be voted on, but I will keep everyone updated with any new information that comes out. Now, this was just an introductory video with me just wanting to introduce you to the company and letting you know that it's trading. And I will be working on a new video with all the details about the company that I will be publishing within the next day or two, so keep an eye out for that. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.